The Pampas of Argentina.
General info. The average precipitation is about 10 to 20 meters a year.
The Pampas provinces include Buenos Aires, La Pampa, Santa Fe, Entre Rios, and Cordoba. The Pampas contain most of the Argentina population. It often has heavy gusts of winds. The animals in the Pampas of Argentina is the gray fox, the Pampas deer, which is also a keystone species, the bush dog, the rhea, and the Geoffrey cat. The bush dog is also an arch strategist, and the Visacha completes herbivory by eating the grass.
The plants that live in the Pampas forest are water lilies, ombu, cardian, cactus, and pampas grass.
And the cattails.
And cattails.
And the ombu tree. The food chain that I have is from the sun to the grass to the zebra to the lion.
And the food web is the aspen tree that goes to the rabbit and the goat, and then the rabbit goes to the wildcat goes to the lion, and the goat also goes to the lion. The lion is a case stratus.
My endangered species is the Maine wolf. The reason they are endangered is because hunters kill them off because they are believed to eat their livestock, which their teeth are too small to eat their livestock, and also because of the growing populations in the Pampas, which is the introduction of certain diseases. The keystone species is the Pampas deer, and they sustain biodiversity in the ecosystem, which is slowly faltering out.
Ecosystem services. One ecosystem service is the grasslands detoxifying and composting waste. This can reduce the impacts of extreme weather and flooding.
One ecosystem service is the pollination of crops and natural vegetation. This will continue the food source for herbivores such as rabbits, which cause the food web to stay in effect. This maintains biodiversity in the area. One economic benefit is it brings plenty of tourism to Argentina. There are plenty of people that would love to take a tour of the Pampas. The wildlife-loving people would pay to take animal tours and plenty of other things in the Pampas.
Another economic benefit is reduced management intensity of the grasslands. This makes a free-range grassland a cost-effective alternate to mowed grasslands.
The negative impact is the growing populations in Argentina and the need for more land. Moving into more land causes the cutting into the grasslands. This causes the ruining of animals' habitats, for instance, the Maine wolf, the Viscacha, and the Pampas deer, which ruins the biodiversity and And fun facts. An example of mutualism is the herbivores and bacteria in the Pampas grass.
An example of commensalism is when large nursing plants give protection to young seedlings. The young seedlings grew under the leaves with effective protection.
And the Pampas grounds have been around for hundreds of years, which makes them the foundation solid, which makes the soil impossible to blow away.
The more cutting of trees causes increasing greenhouse gases, specifically CO2.
In interaction with the biospheres, the ecosystem contains many different types of grasses.
A rabbit is a niche generalist.
A gray fox is a K generalist.